Hi, buongiorno. I am Richard Hershen, the corporate chef here at Mooney Farms, the home of delicious Bella Sun Luci sun-dried tomatoes. Today we're here to cook a recipe from our recipe contest that's our February's honorable mention. February is Heart Health Month, and we are honoring that with a heart-healthy recipe that's full of culture and romance from Mexico and Italy, a blending of my two favorite cultures. So Chef Ellen Heairld has submitted this wonderful recipe, Zucchini and Chicken Mexitaliano. Spiraled zucchini is the new noodle, otherwise known as zoodle. So you have no gluten. It's a gluten-free option. And these zucchini noodles are rich in health benefits. They have a unique texture. And I really love when chefs are creative and put a new spin on classics. Our recipe contest is for chefs who want to be creative and invent things. Yes, please showcase the sun-dried tomatoes, but showcase the things that you love, the things you like to do, the things that are unique, your own inventions. I love inventing things. And feel free to just go for it, experiment. When I go to chop the basil, I don't actually chop it, I do something called chiffonade. And the reason I do that is it's more gentle on the leaves. If you go to chop basil, you bruise it and it discolors almost immediately. After you pull your chicken out of the oven, it's going to continue to cook. So I recommend that you pull it out a couple of minutes before you think it's going to be needed. It's nice to have all these colors, the green of the zucchini, the red of the bell pepper, the orange of the carrot. Now this delicious recipe could have been a winner in our contest, but our taste panel felt that sun-dried tomatoes weren't the star of the dish, which ultimately made it an honorable mention. Either way, it's a great meal for this heart-healthy Valentine's month, and I hope that all of you home chefs make it. You can use other herbs. You can use parsley or thyme or any other Italian or Mexican-based herb you feel like using. So the rich tomato flavor of the sun-dried tomatoes bridge the two flavor profiles, the Mexican and the Italian, and bring the whole dish together. This dish is light, healthy, and brings all the delicious flavors of both Mexico and Italy to the table. I love the cross-cultural flavors in this dish. Okay, Ellen Heairld, congratulations again. Great dish. Everyone please send in a recipe to bellasunluci.com for our recipe contest. Ellen, you'll receive a deluxe gift box for your honorable mention. Please work up a new recipe for us. Thank you for making your recipe a heart-healthy recipe for National Heart Health Month. And everyone, please keep cooking, use sun-dried tomatoes, and arrivederci. Ciao.